Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be creating a 4th of July eyeliner look. I will be using the Morphe X James Charles palette and a white eyeliner from ColourPop, so let's get started. I've already primed my eyelid and I'm just going to apply some of the shade Canvas just to kind of have a little bit of something to brighten up the eyes. I'm not going to do a whole lot of eyeshadow necessarily since we are doing the bold eyeliner, but I did want something to kind of brighten up the eyes. To start the eyeliner, I'm going to be doing a pretty thick line of white eyeliner. I'm using ColourPop's Graceland. You want this to be pretty thick because we're going to be layering some colors on top, and you do want them to stand out. I'm going to do the wing part off camera, and then I'll be back. Next, I'm just going to add red, white, and blue shades on top of the eyeliner. Blue is going to go on the outer area. I'm using the shade Cola. Probably have to do multiple layers. And then I'll do red in the middle and leave the front white. For the red, I'm taking the shade You're Kidding. Just kind of blending them a little bit. I'm going to take the shade Flashback and just use that to set the liner at the front for the white. I did just use a makeup wipe to clean up under the eyes, and I'm just going to add a little bit of ring light to add a little bit of sparkle. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. As I usually do, I'm going to do my lower lashes off camera. Here is the finished look. I am very happy with how this turned out, and I think it's perfect for the holiday. It is pretty simple, and you could totally add a red lip with this and it would be absolutely perfect. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and let me know what other kinds of videos you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!